When your central heating lets you down, or your boiler needs a service or upgrade, it's comforting to know that you can call a local plumbing and heating specialist to get you back on track. That's where AM to PM Plumbing and Heating Service can help. We are able to offer a comprehensive service on all your plumbing and central heating system requirements. Whether it be your leaky taps are driving you to insanity, you've sprung a leak, need your boiler servicing, we have the capabilities to ensure your water and central heating systems are flowing to full effect. So don't sit there in the cold, give us a call today.